Pre-commissioning tests for a 125 MVA transformer are crucial to ensure its safe, reliable, and efficient operation before it's put into service. Given the size and importance of such a transformer, a comprehensive set of tests is required to verify its integrity after transport and installation, and to establish baseline data for future condition monitoring. Important tests necessary before commissioning a transformer. You're looking for the most important and necessary tests for a transformer before it's put into service, following industry standards. For a 125 MVA transformer, this is a critical process to ensure reliability and safety. While the full list of tests can be extensive, here are the absolutely necessary and most important tests, generally aligned with IEEE C57.12.90 and IEC 60076 series standards, which are the leading guidelines. II critical visual and mechanical inspections before oil filling and electrical tests. These might seem basic, but they are the first line of defense and can prevent major issues. 1. Thorough visual inspection. Check for any physical damage, dents, leaks, scratches, from shipping or installation. Check for correct assembly of all components, bushings, radiators, fans, pumps, conservator, OLTC. Confirm all valves, oil, air release are in their correct positions. Check the condition and color of the silica gel in the breathers. Verify all grounding connections are secure. Ensure proper clearances of live parts. 2. Oil level check. Verify oil levels in the main tank, conservator, and OLTC are at correct marks, especially after oil filling and settling. Bleed any trapped air from bushing turrets and radiators. Essential electrical tests. After oil filling and settling, these tests are paramount for assessing the electrical integrity of the transformer. 1. Insulation resistance. Test/Megger test. Measures the integrity of the insulation between windings and ground, and if applicable, between the core and ground. Why it's important. Detects gross insulation breakdown, severe moisture ingress, or contamination. It's a quick check for major problems. Polarization index test, ratio of 10 to 1 minute IR reading, gives a deeper insight into insulation dryness and quality. 2. Winding resistance test, purpose, measures the DC resistance of each winding on all phases and all tap positions. Why it's important. Verifies the integrity of internal connections, checks for loose contacts, broken strands, or shorted turns within windings. Results are compared to factory values. 3. Turns ratio test. Measures the turns ratio between HV and LV windings at all tap positions. Why it's important. Confirms the nameplate ratio, verifies correct winding connections, and assesses the functionality of the on-load tap changer throughout its range. Deviations from factory values, usually 0.5%, are critical. 4. Vector group test. Confirms the phase displacement between the primary and secondary windings. Why it's important. Absolutely crucial for parallel operation with other transformers to prevent